Hey everybody, I'm just here to kind of explain to you the assignment that you guys have posted for you today. So if you look under week one tasks on Thursday, it says view the screencast on Canvas about how to complete an SOS for an essay, which I am making for you guys right now. Read one of the sample essays about student loan forgiveness on page 570, and then complete the SOS on Canvas for that essay. So I just wanted to show you real quick how SOS works. So you have the student loan debt essays. If you don't have your book with you, I went ahead and converted them all into PDFs that you can access and look at right here online, or you can print off the pages that you want if you can do that. And when you're done, you're going to go to do the SOS student loan debt essay assignment, which is right underneath it. And then just like all things, you will go ahead and it is a Google Cloud Doc assignment. You have the Google Doc there for you, ready to go, set up. And remember, if you click here, it'll go ahead and move it to full screen for you so you can fill it in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just demonstrate real quick how to go about doing this. So here's the essay that you guys read, Teaching Your Teachers Well. The way this works is you choose 10 sentences. You choose any 10 sentences that are connected or right next to each other in the essay. And what you're doing when you do SOS is a kind of stylistic breakdown and examination of the sentence types and sentence structures. You're probably going to want to have your bed handy for this to kind of help you. So what we do is, let's say we start here, right? We start with this area right here. Let's start with this sentence and this paragraph right here. So our best universities have paradoxically typically looked down their noses at education as if it were intellectually inferior. So what we do is we go to the sheet and we put in the first 4 words of the essay. Our best universities have. So we just type that in. Our best universities have. Now, special features. Special features can be anything. Can be the use of a simile, the use of a metaphor. It can have interesting punctuation. It could be a type of rhetorical device like asyntoton or polysyntoton. All these things that you can find in your book. And sometimes a sentence won't necessarily have a special feature, right? So let's look at this one. Our best universities have paradoxically typically looked down their noses at education. All right, so here we go. Looked down their noses, right? That's an idiom, right? That's just a typical turn of phrase. So we'll say uses an idiom. Then we want to look at the verbs. So we go back and we look at it. So our best universities have paradoxically, typically looked down their noses at education as if it were. So let's do looked were. Number of words, we go back and we count. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 is an 18-word sentence. And sentence type. This means, are we talking, is it a simple sentence? Is it a compound sentence? Is it a complex sentence? Is it a compound complex sentence? Again, if you're not sure what those things are, you can find this all in your bed and you want to look. I'll even post a digital version of the bed up on Canvas just in case you lost yours or yours is at home. This is a complex sentence. All right. And then we move on and we do this for the next sentence after it. The result is that the strongest students are often in colleges, have no interest in education, while the most inspiring professors aren't working with students who want to teach. So the result, so we go back and we just do the same thing. The result is that special features. Let's go back and look and see if there's anything here. The result is the strongest students are often in colleges, while the most inspiring professors aren't working with students. There we have kind of some parallelism happening. Here we're going to go back and look at the verbs. Result is. So we have is, are, and then working, aren't working with, yeah, working. So is, are working. Number of words. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So anyway, you guys get the point. I'm not going to do it again. So, but you get the point of what you want to do. And at the end, you're going to draw conclusions. Like, what's something you notice about this after you've done a close examination of the different types of sentences that authors are using? Remember, you are doing this on the student loan debt essays. And if you have any questions over this, feel free to contact me through email, and remember to just get this done and posted by the end of the week. All right, thanks, and hope you guys are all doing well. Let me know if you need anything.